Hi, I just wanted to say a few quick words about indentation. The Karel program is pretty specific about indentation, and you'll notice here that it's getting an error saying my indentation's off. Now, this is not going to affect, in reality, how the code will run, but it is an important style consideration. And I want you to build good habits about indentation, and this tries to enforce it. So a couple of things with Karel. There are two different acceptable ways to open and close your methods. So here, you'll notice that the opening brace is immediately after the run method, whereas here, it's on a new line. The reality is either of those are considered acceptable methods. But what Karel is looking for is consistency. So you need to make them all one way or the other. So for example, if I do this, put that on a new line, put this one and this one on a new line, and then I check code, that's going to say it's okay. But I could also have them all the other way. I could have it like all of them where it's opened immediately after the parentheses. That's also an acceptable way to do it. What you can't have is a mixture of both. That's going to complain. Other things, you need to start on the line after you've opened the code. It's not going to like this. So I need to move this down to the next line. Also, it's looking for tabs and not spaces and making sure that things are evenly out. So if I put this back and I put a couple of spaces in there, it's going to complain about that indentation. Basically, this is for readability. And we're just trying to, at this early stage, develop good habits of making your code clearly readable and indented in a predictable way. So hopefully that helps. Sometimes it's frustrating when you run into these problems, but as long as everything is organized the same, you're using tabs, and you're being consistent, you're going to be all right, and it will pass it for you. Thank you.